If you haven't heard about the trending or the popular app TikTok, I believe you still live in the stone age or you live under the rock. No pun intended anyway. That's on a lighter note. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about seeing how to make money online and every other thing that surrounds making money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also highly welcome. And I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. Okay. So TikTok is this popular app that was, founded in 2016, and over the years, by 2018, it got lots and lots of traction. What do TikTok help you do? TikTok is just a social media platform that allows you to share short videos with your followers and the public in general, using some hashtags and using some, videos or sound in the background. Okay. And in this video, I'm going to enlighten you on how you can actually make money on TikTok without having to show your face, because out there, what most of us know is that for you to actually get enough followers on TikTok or start making money on TikTok, you have to, show your face, do comedy stuff, do funny skits, do hell no. You can actually create content on that niche or on that business which you are well informed on, and actually start making money on TikTok. And that's why I'm bringing you this video to show you how you can actually make as much money as possible without having to stay awake all night, shouting on TikTok, tap, or follow and all those things. Hell no. You can actually live your life behind the scene, put out quality content without showing your face, and still make as much money as possible. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to gain as much followers, and also I'm going to list out cool strategies that you can actually use to start making money on TikTok. Okay, so but before we get into how you can make money on TikTok, let's clear the air on TikTok creator funds and TikTok gift points, because these are the two ways most persons think they can actually make money on TikTok. TikTok creator fund. TikTok now pays their high content creators some money for having as much followers as possible and creating as much content as possible. But for you to get to this level, you have to actually have as much as 10,000 followers and have 100k views. That's 100,000 views in the past 30 days. But the downside to this, because most persons don't make money using this method, because this TikTok creator fund is only limited to about 5 to 7 countries, which is US, UK, Germany, and maybe 2 or 3 other countries. So this is not a sure way to make money using TikTok. Okay. Then the next one is TikTok gift point. TikTok gift point is just a feature that TikTok actually enabled few months ago, whereby your followers can actually gift you, diamonds and several gifts, starting from Panda to Drama Queen. And these gifts can actually be converted to diamond coins. And at the end of the day, these diamond coins can actually be converted to the actual money that TikTok will pay you. But one thing with this is that TikTok will have to slash whatever thing you earn from the gift point into 2. They will take 50% and give you 50%. And oftentimes I see people on TikTok, what they do most of the time is have a live section. And just as a reminder, TikTok gift point only comes when you host a live on TikTok. Okay. And oftentimes what I see people do, especially people from Africa, is, or some people over there in the US and Europe, what most of them do is, at night, because that's when the audience is actually much. Everybody's up there shouting, screaming, doing all sorts of funny things just to get the attention of the viewers and encourage them and push them, in a very hard way to send gifts and all that. Hell no, that's not it. Okay, I don't really subscribe to that. So, and that's why I'm bringing you this video on how you can actually make money using TikTok videos on a different level. You don't have to show your face, and you still have to get as much money as possible. So let's jump right into it. The first one is choose a niche. Okay, identify the niche that you are good with and stick to it. Be intentional with whatever niche, or be intentional with whatever thing you want to do on TikTok. So you don't have to always get confused, trying to give out content on your niche, and from there you jump into entertainment and all that. Though you can strike a balance so that you can actually retain your followers' interest on your content. But make sure that 60 to 70% of whatever thing you post out there is all about the niche you are focused on, so they can attract the right followers. Then the next thing is produce your own content. Okay, it could be a short video, it could be text with music background or with video background, and whatever content you're producing on TikTok, make sure that it's a content that has copyright, that has no copyright tangles on them. Like, okay, let me put it this way: make sure that those content are actually copyright free. Okay, because TikTok frowns at copyright infringement, and whenever they notice that you use the content that has copyright, they are going to give you serious strike, or they may even ban your account. So you don't want to do that. Instead, you can actually head on to sites that has copyright free content like Pixels and the rest of them. Pick up video and music background you can actually use for your content. Okay, then also in creating your content, make sure that you post at least 2 to 3 times daily, because that's the way TikTok's algorithm will actually favor you, because the algorithm favors those that are active, those that engages with other people's content, and those that also put out lots and lots of content every day. Okay, so very important. While you also put out your content 2 to 3 times every day, make sure you engage with other people's content. Okay, then the next step, that's step number 3, is once you've done step 1 and step 2, and over time you start seeing that you are getting lots and lots of followers and traction, and let's say you're going viral, instead of you to start doing the whole trying to put out your face and all that, hell no. All you just have to do is to get some affiliate program, register with some affiliate program, try to put out affiliate products on your channel. Okay, let's say for instance your niche is all about you post things about dogs and dog grooming and all that. You could actually head on to ClickBank and so many other platforms for Nigerians. Can go to Jumia and other online marketplace, get the affiliate program, and then market dog grooming or dog training courses or products or services. And that way, once anybody buys from your link, you make as much money as possible. And also, let's say you are all about giving info about food tips, cooking recipes and all that. You can actually create your own course or sell your own cookbook or recipe book and make as much money as possible. That's the way you can actually make money with the whole thousands and thousands of followers that you have on TikTok. Okay, then very important, once you've gone through this step 1, step 2 and step 3, trust me, you start making as much money as possible. But let me sound this note of warning, because we've seen this particular situation with Facebook and Instagram, which is over time, by the time TikTok must have gotten as much coverage as possible, they will start reducing the reach. Like when you put out content, the persons that is going to get to within your followers are going to be reduced. It happened with Facebook, it happened with Instagram, whereby when this platform started newly, once you drop a post, almost all your friends or all your followers could see it. But over time, by the time they've gotten traction, what they now do is that it's more of pay to play. If you don't use paid advert, or if you don't pay on the platform, your content don't get anywhere. As a matter of fact, Facebook sends your post or your content to just 10% of your audience, or of your followers, or of your friends. Not even up to 10%, about 0.1%. So now that TikTok is still fresh and everybody's right on it, jumping on it, go in now, get your own followers, get your own audience. You mustn't really sell them something on TikTok. You could actually put out content there, get as much audience as possible, then channel them to your website or to your YouTube page or to your business or to your brand. Let them be aware of your brand. So that way, you still have enough audience from TikTok to your business. And at the end of the day, they'll end up buying whatever thing you have to offer, because you've given them lots and lots of value on TikTok. Okay, so in conclusion, now that you know how to make money without showing your face on TikTok, remember, everything that you have to do online has to do with putting in your 100. Okay, you have to put in the hard work and be consistent. Okay, it's not an issue of you going in there, posting content for like 4 to 5 months, hoping to blow up. Hell no. All you just have to do is make sure that you are consistent. If it's going to take you 6 months to go viral, good. 1 year to go viral, keep putting in the work. But do these steps work? These steps, they work very well. And these strategies, that are tested and trusted, and they work, and they will keep working over time. So, having been with me in this video up to this moment, I wish to thank you so much, and I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. And if you are generous enough, you can actually share this video to your friends so that they can actually learn how to make money online. And also, whenever I drop hot content like this about making money online, you will be among the first to be notified. That's if you subscribe. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.